Hey guys, welcome back to Double J. So today we have the Samsung Galaxy Active 2. We actually got the 40mm version. There's also the 44mm version. But the 40mm version still functions the same. So if you guys are looking to buy it, links will be in the description. So we actually just unboxed the Note 20 Ultra. Link would be right there. So make sure you guys watch it. So let's just get started. So let's open this. Oh, look at this. This is the Active 2. Let's see if there's anything else. There's a receipt and a plastic bag. Probably was used to cover the Active 2, but probably randomly came out. So let's unbox the watch. So here it is, the Active 2, of course. And before we open it, if you look on the back, there's a lightweight design. There's advanced auto fitness tracker and run coaching, and which is different from the Samsung Galaxy Active 1 original. It has a better heart rate monitor. This is also aluminum, not the metal one, so it's going to be a bit more or less weight. We got the Bluetooth Wi-Fi GPS version, which means that we don't have the LTE where you can put your data and just don't use your phone when you're going, because it's more expensive. So let's open this up. Take the tape off the side. Okay. Move this away. Oh. Straight away we can see that the watch is right there. Let's see if there's anything on the back. On the back we can see that it's probably the manual and stuff like that. Let's open it up. So the quick start and terms and conditions, like how to turn this on and off. So here is the watch. And before we actually start the watch, I'm gonna put this aside and look if there's the charger. Oh, and here it is, the wireless charging puck, which means that this supports wireless charging and NFC, which means that you can pay with Samsung Pay. It's a USB Type B, which means that it's not like fast charging compared to the USB Type C version. So let's put that aside. I believe there's nothing in the box, and I was right, and there's nothing in the box. So let's put all these aside, and here is the watch. So there are two physical buttons on the side, and the two physical buttons represent a back button and the home button. Double tap to go to Bixby, and hold the back button to go to Samsung Pay, and which I said before supports NFC, which means that you can do Samsung Pay. On the back we can see that it has more advanced heart rate monitor compared to the Samsung Galaxy Active original. And something that's different about the Active 1 and the Active 2 is that there's actually speakers and a microphone, which means that you can pick up phones and call people, which is what everybody wants out of a smartwatch. So let's turn the watch on. So the second you actually turn the watch on, it actually connects to the phone. All right, here I have the Note 20 Ultra. So you can see that it does come, it says Galaxy Watch Active 2, do you want to connect or not? And you can connect if you want. You can say add now, and you press allow all the time, allow. So this is like super easy. Like once you turn the watch on, it automatically connects, and you can see that it's pairing. So it's pairing, and you can see the check mark on the Galaxy Watch Active 2 saying if you want to connect. I press the check mark and I press connect here. It's setting up. It's actually super fast. So that'll be all for today's videos. just about done. Just need to sync up all the content. But to end that on that note, there'll be a review coming up, so make sure you subscribed and stay tuned.